Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I'm going to mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you don't know it. And I have a screen lock that I know, but let's just assume I don't. So to get started, no matter where you are, either with the device unlocked or locked, you're gonna press volume up and power button, and then swipe down to turn off the device. And once it turns off, which is indicated with the vibration, you wanna hold power button and volume down. And when the device starts booting up, so you'll see the OnePlus logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. From here, select your desired language and then choose Format Data. This will generate some kind of random code right here for digit 1. So for me, it's 0188. For you, obviously, it will be different. It's completely random every time. So if I were to close this and do this again, you can see it changed. So then I'm going to put the new one. So 3439 format. This will then go through a formatting process, which only takes a couple seconds. So you can click on OK. And the device automatically reboots and continues resetting in the background. Now, because it is continuing the reset, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. So don't worry, that's completely normal. Once the process is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And that was insanely fast, so it's already finished. So there we go. That's how you reset your device. Now we can go through the setup process and there shouldn't be any kind of screen lock. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.